Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a base for any of your stew, for jollof rice, for meat stew, for fish stew, anything that you're going to make. I'm going to show you how to make a base for that. So for that I'm going to be using all-purpose seasoning, thyme, bay leaf is a bit mash up, but it's okay, we can deal with it. I've got some seasoning cubes, garlic, scotch bonnet, honey. This is optional if you're not a fan of spicy food. I've got some vegetable oil here, tomato puree, chopped in tomatoes, yellow and red onion, and bell pepper. This one here is coming from the freezer, that's why it's looking like this, as you can see. Also some salt. So that's all the ingredients. For more information, please see the description box below. So I'm going to be blending the chopped in tomatoes. I'm also going to be blending some of the onion. So I basically wash everything just to make it easier, and I also chop it to make it easy to blend. Just make it easy, and the garlic as well. Sometimes it's a bit funny to blend, so I just chop it. As well as the bell pepper. I love bell pepper, guys. If you've watched my videos, like seriously, I add bell pepper on almost everything. I love it. It's just so nice, and it just brings a really nice flavor to dish, which I adore. I actually heart it. So that's going in there. Now with the onion, I don't like to blend everything. I like to leave a little bit, and I'll chop it like nicely, very small, just to make it a bit crunchy in the stew. I just like that. The red and yellow onion, chop them to make it easy to blend. You guys, my eyes I am crying right now. My eyes is so watery. Oh my gosh, this is why I don't like to chop onions, man. It just makes me like waste of tears. This is literally waste of tears, like wasting my tears for no reason. I like to taste a bit of crunchiness when I'm eating my meal, so I'm going to leave this aside and bring in the blender and add the scotch bonnet. This is completely optional, guys, with the scotch bonnet. As I always say, if you're not a fan of spicy food, you don't have to use it. But if you want a little bit of kick, what you can do is open it, open it and remove the seeds, because the seeds is where it's much hotter. You know, it's more hot. So if you don't want it to be too hot, then remove the seeds. But as for me, I love spicy food, so I'm gonna blend it all together, make it all smooth. Okay, so nice and smooth, just the way I wanted it to be. Perfect. This is great. Now moving on to the next step. I'm gonna fry it and mix everything together. So adding in some oil into a pan, as you can see, waiting for that to get hot. Once the oil is hot, this is where I add the onion, the chopped onion. And just fry them until it gets soft. I'll then add some tomato puree and just mix it all together. What I like about this, adding tomato puree, it just gives it a nice color and unique taste, which is just amazing. So I'm just stirring everything together until it's cooked a bit and remove the harsh sour taste that the tomato puree has. So that's what I am doing. Just get it all in there and keep stirring. So I've got my heat on medium and just keep stirring until the harsh sourness is gone. I'm now going to add the blended ingredients. Add blended vegetables all in there. I really don't want to miss anything out, so yeah, just want to make sure I get everything in there. Oops. There you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna just give that a stir, mix it all together. We want it to be cooked properly at this point. As I said on my previous videos, to see to identify that it's cooked, you'll see the oil showing up more at the top, but not right now. But just keep stirring and you're about to see something magical, honey. I'm gonna add in my seasoning cubes. My all-purpose seasoning, seasoning cubes, salt, and the thyme. I'm just gonna keep stirring it, and then I'm gonna leave this to cook, guys. And not to forget the bay leaf. I'm gonna add the bay leaf in there. I'm gonna leave it to cook on medium heat until the oil is showing up more. Do check on it every now and then and give it a stir if it needs to. And when it's done, and voila, what you can do, mix it with meat, fish, or make jollof rice with it. Quick and easy base. It's just a great method. You can just have it in the freezer whenever you want to cook it. You can just cook it easy. You know, it's just easy, and you spend less time in the kitchen basically. So I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, I'll speak to you guys later. Bye bye.